Tired of squinting at tiny YouTube details on your TV? Let's get that YouTube video zoomed in on your TV screen. The easiest way is screen mirroring from your phone or tablet. First, access your device's control center. On most Android devices, swipe down from the top. On iPhones, swipe down from the top right corner. Look for an icon labeled Screen Mirroring, Cast, or something similar. Tap that icon and a list of available devices will appear. Select your TV from the list. Make sure your TV is on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone or tablet. Your device screen will now be mirrored on your TV. Open the YouTube app on your phone or tablet and play the video you want to watch. Now for the magic. Use the pinch to zoom gesture on your phone or tablet screen. Simply place two fingers on the screen and move them apart to zoom in. The zoomed-in view will be mirrored directly onto your TV. And there you have it. Now you can enjoy those details without straining your eyes. To return to the normal view, simply pinch your fingers together on your device's screen, or stop screen mirroring altogether from your device's control center.